Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to ask questions of a particular service on the Yelp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this search button and select a service. After that, tap on it, and then you should scroll down until you find the ask a question section. So tap on this plus icon. After that, you should type in your question. Here you can select whether you would like to get notifications when there is an answer to your question, and when you are done, click on the post question button in the middle of the screen, and then you should confirm your email, and after that you will be able to post your question that will appear at this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.